100 children in this area within 1 mile. Shut this down for good.
They should not be operating this compressor station. They should not be trying to commission it. They have no emergency shutdown system, and that should be step one.
We want Enbridge to shut down this facility immediately. It's dangerous to our citizens in the surrounding cities.
We have to stop the fracking in the Marcellus Shale, which is where the gas comes from. We got to stop this, shut this down. We have to shut down or stop them from constructing a gas liquefaction plant up in Nova Scotia so that they don't transship gas to Europe.
Governor Baker has no compassion for the people that live in this neighborhood with this toxic chemical. There could be explosion from this compression station site in North Weymouth, Massachusetts at the Fall River Bridge. It's a disgrace to the Commonwealth of Massachusetts that we never had even a celebration for this bridge, and it's a beautiful bridge in the state of Massachusetts. Thank you.
All right, my name is Amanda. I'm from Gloucester, and I'm here because they're ruining neighborhoods and towns so that they can put more money in the pockets of the shareholders of Enbridge and other fossil fuel companies. We're not even using this gas. It's going to Canada and overseas, and they don't care a bit about any of these people and their children. That's why I'm here.
I'm Christina. I'm here because of the complete failure of our government and the system to enforce regulations and to keep the people safe, and how legal pathways completely failed this community in keeping the people safe and just the basic requirements of government for people.
Hello, Helene Sansusi, Quincy, Mass. I'm here because the Earth is having a pretty tough time this week, and I don't think our elected officials are doing much to help. And supporting this bridge or condoning this bridge isn't doing anybody any good on the South Shore or in Massachusetts. Thank you.
Fossil fuels are killing our planet and us.
Beautiful.
Hello, my name is Mary Russell. I live in Roslindale. What I'd like to say is this project proves that the regulations are working exactly the way they're designed. And they are designed deep in the legislative process where the lobbyists do the work and the regular people are completely ignored.
Hi, my name is Donna Connors, and I don't understand how a compressor station can be put in such a high-density area.
My name's Kathy Armour. I'm from Dorchester. I'm against this compressor because from day one it has been unnecessary and dangerous. Digging up this earth, which was landfill, has released toxins. The actual compressor is not necessary for Massachusetts, or anyway, gas is the past. We don't benefit from this. There's residences nearby, and even I think it's 1,500 kids. And even yesterday there was an accident, and all kinds of toxic stuff was released. And it's out of control. The Department of Environmental Protections didn't and I'm really upset about it, and it's wrong in the social justice way and in environmental justice and just for our planet in general.
Yesterday morning, 9 o'clock, there was an unplanned release of methane. The workers had to turn it off. There was no automatic emergency system in place.
My name is Wendy Caliban. I live in Weymouth. Governor Baker, shut it down. I'm Alice Arena from Weymouth, And this is what I have to say to Enbridge. No emergency shutdown system? Are you kidding me?
Hi, my name is Laura. I'm from Weymouth, and I'm here fighting today because we need to shut this down for the sake of future generations.
Yes! Good to see you again.
Okay, so I didn't bring the bullhorn for my car, and I think I know, I'm the only one who parked up at 352, but I was just worried there wouldn't be enough space. So anyway, what happened? Oh, can everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, this is not going to take long. First of all, I want to thank everyone for coming out this morning. It was amazing, and I kind of got stuck in the traffic jam. I'm like, how many cars do we have?
At least 45.
I know, I didn't count, probably Laura did, but we had a really good crew, and you're a great crew. I mean, it's amazing, even for people who could come and just do the parade. We have found out that officers on duty don't know anything about the gas leak from yesterday.
Wow.
So apparently the town's emergency systems and emergency alerts aren't working worth crap. That's a great thing.
That's unreal.
So we'll be talking to people about that fact, because as far as I'm concerned, and I'm not a cop, but the watch commander should have been telling any cop that was going to be down here that this had happened yesterday. And these idiots are here working like nothing happened, you know, doing the little landscaping bullshit, quite frankly. So that's where that's at. So I want to thank you all. And I want to talk just really quickly about dedication. 6 years, guys, coming up in December.
Holy cow.
6 years. And we still get a crowd. We still get a lot of people at meetings. We're still getting emails saying, what's happening? We're still talking to media. We're still talking to the politicians and all the powers that be. So for 6 long years, you've all somehow taken your vitamins and kept up the fight. But it's the long game. 6 years ago, I sat down with Mike Lang for the first time. He said, do you have any idea what you're getting yourself into? He says, this is 10 years of your life.
Wow.
I'm just telling you. And I think he's going to be right by the time we shut this damn thing down.
All right.
So we're taking ideas here. Somebody said, how about a Boys and Girls Club of Weymouth? Might walk to water park, but whatever. But we want them out of here. We want them gone, and we want gas gone from this planet.
Yay!
So that's the long game, guys. That's the long game. And we have someone here who just had a special birthday, who has been a fighter in the long game from West Roxbury to Weymouth to wherever. And that is our Mary Boyle.
Yay!
So Margaret made this special card for Mary.
Sorry.
Margaret. And it's
we
just
sing?
really special.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you.
We've had a couple of very special birthdays over the 6 years. Mary's is one of them. Dottie a couple of years ago. I'm not going to say anything more because Dottie will hit me. But you can have this.
Right on.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mary, for never giving
right,
up.
Mary.
Yay, Mary!
All right.
Let this be an example. That, you know, when we get to be Mary's age, God willing, we will still be out here fighting the good fight and making the good trouble.
Good
So
trouble.
Keep it up, guys. Thank you.
Good trouble. Good trouble. Thank you.
Warriors. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
To be continued.
Yes.
Question for you. The police came on duty today and they had
After an unplanned gas release, a major accident, I am more determined than ever to shut down the compressor.
I don't know what to say. There's so much wrong with this that it escapes me how to sum it up. It's awful. It's horrible for all of us, for the whole planet.